Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Bit of a short one this week with the warrior monk Thomas from Zombicide Green Horde. He's been primed in German Panzer Grey and I'm starting with Necromancer's Cloak for all of his outer robes. With the outer robe finished, I used dark stone for the inner robes. Next I used dark flesh tone to do the handle of his weapon and for his belt. The artwork shows the belt as black, but I wanted a bit more variety, so I kept the leather look but went with a lighter tone. That will be it for the clothing. I now used barbarian flesh for all of his exposed skin. Now the skin is finished, I used gunmetal to do his blade and the manacles hanging from his waist. While the gunmetal is drying, I used dungeon grey to do a basic highlight on his robes and the shoes. With the highlight finished, I used dead flesh to do all the ropes and straps on him. Next up, I used oak brown to do his hair. I then used matte white to do his eyes. Finally, before the wash goes on, I used matte black to do his pupils and the base. The first of the washes is dark tone for his blade and the dark robes. The next wash is strong tone for everything else apart from his skin. I do also mix the washes on these straps of his blade to give it a bit more of a varied tone. Finally, I used flesh wash for all of his skin. Once it's all on, I start taking most of it off again as it covered his face slightly too much. That will be it for Thomas. He is quick, simple mini to do, but he came out pretty well. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, guys, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.